Till now we have solved the cases for shear force and bending moment. Now we have various types of loading on a simply supported beam. In first figure, the beam is simple beam and it is loaded with UDL. So the beam with uniformly distributed load is there. Second beam is with simple beam with UIL load. It is uniformly varying load. As it can be clearly seen in the diagram that on one support the load is 0 and on the other support the load is maximum. So we say this load is uniformly varying load. In third case, simple beam with central UIL, here the amount of load on support is 0 and it is maximum at the center. In the third diagram, simple beam is given but UDL is applied on some part of the beam. That is, we can say that this is the distance small l. In next diagram, the load applied is also on some part of the beam, but it starts from one support of the beam and reaches to some part of the beam. Then in another beam, the uniformly distributed load is given, but the load is applied in two parts. It starts from one end of the support and reaches to some distance or some part of the beam, and the same load is applied from the another side and it also reaches to the some part of the beam.